interesting things about the litigation side is you do have the Federal Circuit, which is a specialized appellate court for patent appeals. So the district court, the litigation can originate in any district court where there's jurisdiction, federal district court where there's jurisdiction, but all the appeals have to go through the Federal Circuit. Do the judges on the Federal Circuit, are they members of the patent bar typically, or what is their background?
So that is another very interesting aspect of patent practice, which is the United States Court of Appeals and the Federal Circuit. Remember my two stages, the patent prosecution stage and the patent litigation stage in the federal district courts. Both of them you appeal up to the same appellate court, which is the Court of Appeals in the Federal Circuit. So if your patent is denied, you have internal appeals within the PTO, and then you can go up to the Federal Circuit. And if you're here in one of the 94 federal judicial districts, you don't go to the regional circuit. You don't go to the First Circuit or Fifth Circuit, etc. You go to the Court of Appeals in the Federal Circuit, which is in Washington, D.C. So all appeals from all the 94 federal judicial districts end up in the same appellate court, which is the
intermediate appellate court, right below the U.S. Supreme Court. Yeah,
exactly. And currently there are about 12 judges there, and there are a decent number of them who do have a technical background. You know, the judges like Judge Ken, Judge Moore, Judge Lurie. You know, these are all people with a technical background.
Judge Newman.
But then you also have a significant number of others who have no technical background whatsoever. And yet, you know, many of them are seen as being, terrific patent judges. So I think it once again reinforces the point that you don't need a technical background. You just need really a desire and inclination to understand scientific and technological material. And so, you know, a majority of the judges in the Federal Circuit don't have a technical background. Many of them did not even practice patent law before they were appointed.
Yeah, no, this is very helpful. It reinforces some